Hey all, Kenta here, and today I'm excited because I'm going to show you how to create an audiogram from a webinar or a live. So what's an audiogram? I'm sure you've seen it around, but an audiogram is typically associated when you take a podcast and you turn it into these cool little graphics and share it around your different social channels. So a lot of interesting podcasting companies like Anchor, and I think Podbean, these companies will provide that service for you if you podcast and publish through those platforms. But what happens if you do a webinar or a live stream or a training and you decide that you want to take that audio and you want to create a audiogram to then share on LinkedIn or YouTube or any of your several marketing channels, even emailing those audiograms to potential clients and things like this. So I'm going to show you how to do it using a tool called milk.video. Yes, milk.video. Turn your webinar into video highlights. So let's dive in right here. I have an account with them already. And what we're going to do is first, instead of dropping in a video, which is typically what I would do, I'm going to drop in an extractive audio file. So in this case, I've already actually done it, but all you have to do is go into any of your Zoom calls, and let's say you have this call that you did, you just grab the audio file. You'll see them all here. Grab the audio file and just drop it in like that. So I've already done that. Once you drop it in, it's going to take a little bit to process and also start to transcribe. And you'll see what it looks like finished here. Let me delete these. So here is the transcribed audio, basically. So this is awesome because also if you wanted to take this and turn it into a blog post, you could, and I'll show you that in another video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to look down and see where I want to grab for an audiogram. So I actually chose this specifically because I like what he says here about your financial planner, that he talks about financial planners and how they will typically recommend you making sure that you take care of your retirement account. So I'm going to grab this part, clip C, that clips that section. Or you can always come down here and just click that for clip section as well. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to come over and create as video. Feel free to bypass that and open up the actual editor. All right, so here's the canvas that we're going to be working with. Notice that typically if you've used Milk Video, you'll notice that right here is where the video goes. But obviously because this is an audio file, there's no video. So let's begin to style this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define the actual canvas size. So what I'm going to do here is go over to brand, make sure I'm in brand. I'm going to click square. I typically like the square. It works in a lot of different settings, whether it's on Instagram or LinkedIn, or actually also if you wanted to send it via email or something like that, it works well there too. What I did here is it's a little bit of a little workaround, but I'm going to grab the video file with no video, and I'm just going to make it small, put it in the corner, don't need to worry about it. Now I'm going to grab the main thing, which is the actual text, and I'm going to start to style it. Let's do something like that. All right, I'm also going to add a logo. How do you add a logo? I showed you in another video, but we're going to go right to uploads. This is where you can upload things like photos, videos, anything else to put on here, which is really cool. So I actually uploaded a Milk video logo here a while ago. So let me just come in to find that. Here we go. So once I click it, you can see what it is. I'm going to click Insert to Canvas. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Let's throw that up there on the top left-hand side. Maybe what I'll do is, because it's an audiogram and you can see through the audiogram, you can either upload a image of your, like a cover image, if it's like a podcasting or kind of a series in your webinar, or of course you can just grab the photo of your speaker, which is what I'm going to do here. And actually I haven't uploaded that, so let me show you. I'm going to upload. I'm going to come over to desktop, just going to grab Kyle's lovely photo. Kyle, I hope it's okay that I'm using your photo here. So I'm just going to grab that screenshot and insert to canvas. Perfect. So instead of having it be a square, I think I'm going to crop it. You saw me just click the crop button. I'm going to click it to circle and just do that. Grab Kyle's lovely face here. Boom. Put that over to the, let's see. I think I'm going to do something like that. Yeah, I think that looks great. I think I'm going to style it to center. Yep, everything's looking good. You can even change the font here. Roboto, PT Serif, Poppins. Poppins sounds good. I like that clean feel. Also goes with the logo here of Milk Video. Now, you can also change the different colors of your canvas. You can either go here on theme. Again, I'm in the brand section. And I can just click around and find a nice color combination. Ooh, that one pops. Or if, let's say, you want to create your own color combination, or you want to change certain aspects of it, all I would do is come over and first I would click here in brand again, and just you can change the canvas color. Make it a little bit maybe darker blue it pops with Kyle's orange background. If you want to change the text, just go ahead and click the text, and then you can change the text color by going here, active captions text. So let's see. Active means that it's when it's highlighted. Yeah, so go back here. It's a little bit hard to see actually, on that. And then, yeah, let's actually keep this. So then it looks a little bit like this.
The number one thing that almost all financial planners, the ones
that's nice. I really like that. Okay, so once you have your audiogram exactly how you like it, and listen, if you even want these little audio background things, just look for audio waves or something like that, waveforms. Find a PNG, grab it, and you can slap it on. So again, you can style this however you want. Go wild with it. And once you are happy with the way it looks, go ahead and save and share. It'll show you the format is a video, because that's what it is. It's 700 by 700, video quality high, and export time is about a minute. And again, I always say this, but they will send you an email whenever the video is done. So you don't need to sit here for a minute. You go off and do whatever you need to do. And that's it. Video is processing. Once everything is done, they'll send you an email, and then you'll come over here to the download section to the left side. You can see the other videos I have made in the past. You can see that this one's still processing, but just to show you how to download it, it's pretty intuitive. Just click over to the video that's done. This is a video from before. You can see I created on the 12th, and then I just click download. Now, it might open up another browser here, and it's super easy. You just go here, save video as, and then just download it to wherever you want. And that's it. That's how you would take a webinar or a live video, any type of video that produces audio format, and turn it into an audiogram without having to use a podcasting tool. Yeah. Good luck, and let us know what you think about this video. Cheers.